Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download a voice from ElevenLabs. So yeah, as you see, I'm now on ElevenLabs and this is a text I want to generate. So yeah, if you press on generate, like a bulk will pop up. So this bulk will look something like this. As you can see, this is a preview, but what you can do, once you generate the voice, is you can you can take a listen, of course. You can skip 10 seconds or play around with that, but you need to go to this button right here. You just tap on it and boom, this downloads the voice. It's completely free. You get a high quality audio file, but if you get lost with your voice files, with your audio files, if you generate a lot and don't know where they went, you can fix it easily. You just need to go to the top bar and then go to history, as you can see. And yeah, when you download, when you generate audio, when you generate voices, all of your audio files will be listed here, and you can download them, delete them, see the date, see the length, play them, preview them, etc. So you can just easily find all of your generated samples just within your history, as you can see. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.